So connect the vac stat to the center port here, connect the yellow hose onto the vac.
And what we're doing is just making sure that we don't have a leak in our gauge line.
Okay.
So I'm not happy with that. It's just down 700 that quick.
Yep.
It's not bouncing very good.
Okay.
So keep it on. Now you can run either the red or blue line onto the unit.
Yep.
Either one, doesn't matter.
So we need to make sure these are closed. Do I need some pliers or something? Yep.
New gauges. And now you can open up the port, the blue line.
Yep.
And then you'll watch the back stat, the high pressure.
Yep.
And yeah, just do what you do. Now, doing off, doing everything. You'll see it come down pretty quick.
Yep. It's flying down.
Yeah. Easy.
Yep.
Yeah, really good. And you see if it's bouncing, that means you've got a leak in your gauges or in your unit.
Yeah, okay. Yep, so you can tell pretty early on if you've got a significant issue.
Yes.
But then the next checkpoint is when it's getting down
when
to...
it's getting down to 500.
That's 5. Cool, so 283. Yep.
I always take the nuts off the end caps now, so
Yep.
just be careful that you don't knock the gauge line.
Yep.
And as you're doing it, you're listening to changes in the back and in that.
Yep.
Just you take that off. You can now close the blue line off the gauges.
Yep. Closing. Yep, so that's closing off this connection here back to the vac. So the vac's now just doing this part again.
Yep, that's it. So you can turn off the back.
Yep.
Some silence now, which is good.
Yep.
Now, open the liquid line, which is a small pipe.
Yep.
All that you want to do is crack it so you see the blue gauge line creep up slowly.
Okay. Yep.
Keep going a little bit more. A little bit more, just under 50, turn it off.
Turn it off on which gauge?
Yeah,
there,
turn it
black.
off, turn it off,
Yep,
yeah.
on the black gauge.
So you so 50 psi on the black.
Yep.
You want to stop that. So
Yep.
there's around just below 50.
Yep.
So when you take that gauge manifold off with the service thing,
Yep.
it doesn't hiss out.
Yep.
If you put all the refrigerant up to 200 psi,
It'll be sitting there.
150, it'll be pumping when you try to take that off.
Yeah.
If you
Okay.
take that off, you won't lose any gas.
Yep.
Take it off real quick now. Perfect. See how you lost hardly anything?
Yep.
So yeah, so now you can open up those
Close
service ports.
that.
Now you can open up the liquid line fully.
Yep.
That's it. Don't go any harder.
Yep.
And then same thing with the suction line now. You can open that up. That's it. Done.
Perfect.
That is all, and you have those.
Excellent.
That's it.
So you're aiming for like 300.
Anything under 300 is good.
Yep.
ARC will say you've got to get under 500.